Huron Wingham Fire, please respond for a general fire alarm at the Black Horse Estates, 315 Center Street. Key holders are pending. Again, it's a general fire alarm at the Black Horse Estates, 315 Center Street. Time of first page is 000235. Attention, North Huron Wingham Fire. Please respond for a general fire alarm at the Black Horse Estates, 315 Center Street. Your crossroads will be Patrick Street East and Maple Street. Key holders are pending. Again, that's the general fire alarm at the Black Horse Estates, 315 Center Street. Time of second page is 000322. Wingham Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges page for the Wingham Station where you're still landing shortly.
That's Roger, car 4, you're acknowledging page. Time is 000426.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show Engine 1 responding. Alpha Bravo plus 2 belted.
Roger that, Engine 1, you're responding. Alpha Bravo plus 2 belted. And dispatch to Engine 1.
Go ahead, dispatch, Engine 1.
I received a call from the alarm company. They're requesting a cancellation. They spoke with key holder, who advises it's a false alarm. There's a tenant on site there cooking spring rolls and got the fire alarm off at that location.
Yeah, roger that. We'll be on scene here in a minute. We will just confirm.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1's on scene. Bravo will be command and mobile. Nothing showing, 2-story brick facade.
That's Roger, Engine 1, you're on scene. Bravo in command and mobile. You have 2-story brick facade, nothing showing. Time is 000912.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Been in contact with person on site. They say it has been burnt food. I will be sending a crew in to confirm.
That's Roger, command. You're in contact with person on site, advising burnt food. You're sending a crew in to confirm. Time is 001034.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show a crew of 2 entering building.
That's Roger, command. Crew of 2 is entering the building at 001260.
You can also show a 360 in progress.
That's Roger, 360 in progress, 001233.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1 command.
We made access to apartment 4. We're just going to come out with a van right now.
Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
360 complete. Nothing showing.
Roger, 360 is complete. Nothing showing. 001443.
Command, call Delta. Go ahead, Delta, it's Command. Yeah, I've got 3 at the station if you require any more manpower. Yeah, roger that. Just stand by for the moment. Copy that. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
North Huron Fire, go ahead. Command, go ahead.
You can show we have gained access to apartment number 4. We have confirmed they have burnt their food. We will be setting up to do some ventilation after investigation.
Roger that. Confirmed that you've gained access to apartment number 4 and found burnt food and are setting up ventilation and investigation. Time 12:16:58.
Entry 1, call command.
Go ahead, Command, entry 1.
Were you advised when you started ventilation, please?
Roger that, ventilation has started.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show ventilation of apartment number 4 underway.
Ventilation underway. Apartment 4, time 12:18:53.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, this is command.
We believe ventilation is complete. We've done a sweep with the tick and with multi-gas, 0 readings on both.
Yeah, roger that. When you're happy with the ventilation, you can exit the building. If the occupant is there, could you have him come with you and we'll just do some paperwork up quick? Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show scenes being up to the occupant. Command is terminated. All units return to Wingham Station.
That's Roger, Command. Scene's been left with occupants. Command's been terminated. All units returning to station. Time is 00:29:00.